How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. Tommy.
Jeff, nice to meet you.
Pleased to meet you, Jeff. Hi, Kim.
Hi, nice
Pleased
to
to
meet
meet
you.
you.
This is 65.
Yes, it is.
I've always wanted one of these.
Really? Here she is.
Let me see what you got inside.
Yeah, go right ahead.
I've always wanted a convertible.
She always wanted a convertible. Always.
What's the horsepower?
About 4.25.
So she gets up and scoots.
Oh, yeah.
Where are you at on this?
I'm at 40.
I can't go 40. I want to put the original tires and wheels back on it and the spinners. 3250 and we got a deal.
Oh, wow.
Well, times are tough.
Tough, but they ain't that tough, man. 3250 is a lot less than what I wanted. I'd come down 38.
I wanted this car since I was a little kid. 35. Come on.
We got ourselves a deal.
Great.
Thank you, sir.
You got it, man.
Thank you.
I wanted to get 40, but 35 is the bare minimum I could take on this car. So at least I made a little profit.
Take care of her. Plus, you sold the car at the vet show.
Yeah, I did, didn't I? That feels pretty damn good. All right, grab the wrench. Even though we were able to finally sell a vet at this car show, we didn't pull in the type of profit we were hoping for. We're into the Chevelle for close to 30 grand, and all that money's underneath the hood. We haven't even finished any of the interior work yet. Nice job, nice job. There's only one thing left to do. What the hell was that? Dude, I hope we didn't break an axle or something on this thing.
Like a freaking gunshot.
Oh, my God, never. We went through a whole slew of problems with the vat and went way over budget. Last thing we need is to dump more money in this Chevelle.
What do you want to do?
Let's listen to it real quick and see. Well, the motor's still running, but, dude, I got some kind of vibration. Sounds like the rear end. The stinking thing is clunking really bad just from there.
Just take it back to the shop.
Well, hopefully we'll make it back.
This is always our biggest fear on rebuilding an old car. You get everything built, everything seems right, then you get slapped in the face with a problem, and there's no way of telling what it could be.
Well, sounds like it's in the rear end. Till we get it tore apart, we ain't never gonna know, so. Let's get this drive shaft out of here. I'll start taking this cover off. Without knowing the specific issue, we basically gotta take the whole rear end apart. You gotta pull the wheels, calipers, slide the axles out, find out what's wrong, then rebuild it. We're working backwards so we can move forward. It's not broken. That's a good thing.
Looks good.
Yeah. All right, I'm gonna get these caps out of here, pull this center section out. Okay. There's our problem. The stinking pinion bearing. Got hot, looks like it galled to the pinion. We have to pull that out. The ring and pinion is part of the rear differential, which transmits all the power from the motor to the wheels of the car. This 572 has so much force that it melted the ball bearing in the pinion. As the cost of this car keeps going up, the profit keeps dropping. There it is. We started with 50 G's, and with every problem, wow, we slowly keep eating away at our paycheck. Let's go order the bearing kit. Coming up.
Nice, sick. I gave you enough money, man. It better be nice.
Here's Chevelle.
Yeah. This thing is a beast.
Ralph promised an extra 5 G's for every half second in under 13 seconds. What time was it?
What you got for the time, boss?
All right, well, we got the new ring and pinion.
Yeah, buddy.
All right. New bearing. Start putting this baby back together.
Good. Here she comes.
And this big 572 motor has been more of a hassle than I expected. But I know it was the right call. We get an extra 5 Gs for every half second. This car runs under 13 seconds. All I got left to do is a few cosmetic changes. Swap out the gauges for more modern gauges. Same with the headlights and the taillights. Change the colors on the racing stripes, and then she's ready for the track.
Ralph's gonna love this real car.
Oh, yeah, he is, man. Still can't believe he wanted to break up the matching numbers, man. When my buddy Ralph dropped out to Chevelle in our laps, it was all matching numbers, all factory original. But he wanted to make it faster. $572 cubic inches. This thing got nothing but horsepower.
As hard as it was tearing this car apart, we turned this car into a serious piece of machinery.
We do it the right way.
That's what Christmas Auto does.
That's it, man. This car packs one hell of a punch. And it's 100% street legal. When Ralph sees this car, he's gonna be floored.
In Youngstown, everybody and their sister has a fast car. It's part of the culture here. So, everybody gets together at an old airport to show off their muscle. Wait till you see this thing, brother. It is
Nice.
sick.
I gave you enough money, man. It better be nice.
This is the perfect place to test out Ralph's new and improved Chevelle SS.
It's sick.
He didn't waste none of your money. It's gonna prove the time. It's gonna prove the time.
Kind of hear something.
Yeah, but he's about to hear a lot of something.
Sounds good.
Yep, Mr. Ralphie, your Chevelle.
I like what I see so far.
Ah.
That's what I'm talking about. Yeah.
Yeah.
I like it. Tommy.
Ralphie?
Oh, man, I've been waiting a long time, Tommy.
How you doing, brother?
Good. Yourself? What's happening, man?
Nothing, man. Doing good.
Wow.
What do you think?
It's beautiful.
You want to see under the hood?
I do want to see, Tommy. Let me see what my money bought me. Oh, my God. Oh, wow.
Dude, we went all out. We added a 572 cubic inch. Biggest street legal engine Chevy made. Did the wheels and tires. Put in brand new gauges. Took the 4-speed out. Put a Tremec 5-speed transmission in for you.
Wow, man. Oh, brother.
There's nothing you can say, but I mean, it speaks for itself. Ralph gave us a $50,000 budget to get this car running lightning fast.
Oh, wow.
We spent a little over $45,000. And with a car like this, making under 5 Gs for the shop ain't gonna cut it.
I want to see this thing go down the road. Is it going to do the 13 seconds?
It's gonna do 13 seconds with me and my buddy in there, in it. Ralph promised us an extra 5 Gs for every half second. We can get this car running under 13 seconds. So I'm gonna show you it does 13s with 2 big boys.
Let's see what she's got, Tommy. I got to see this thing run.
So if we want to come out on top on this build, we need to get that speed bonus.
Come on, Tommy. Let's see what that thing's got in it.
Ready to do this? All right, buddy. Hold on. Come on.
Lay down. Let's do it. Come on. Lay it down, Tommy. All right.
All right.
This 620 horsepower engine shoots like a cannon. It's explosive with every shift, even with 2 heavyweights on board.
right, Tommy, my man. Woo!
Yes, baby.
All right, Tommy. That was great,
I
man.
got it here. What time was it?
What you got for the time, boss?
Okay, that last run was 12.4.
12-4, brother. I knew it was going to run the number.
The car was nice before. I would say it was a head turner, but now it's like a jaw dropper. This thing is a beast. Tommy, I'm a man of my word. I told you 5K for every half second. Yeah.
Nice. It's been an honor to work on this car, man, and a privilege. When you're doing a fast car, the costs are piling up quick. Wow. But at the end of the day, Ralph's happy, the car's a beast, and we got an extra $5 grand.
Next time on Fat and Furious Rolling Thunder.
I'm looking for a car like that to go 0 to 100 13.5 seconds.
That's what I'm talking about.
Wow, what a headache.
This is my daughter's car. She's been in the Air Force, so I wanted to surprise her and turn it into a full-blown Shelby Maverick.